Good morning from Fremont Street. Today we are going to be taking you into the Fremont Hotel and Casino, which has been recently renovated. It is still under construction, but we're going to give you an update on what's been done so far. Immediately when you walk in, you will notice an updated roof and light fixtures, as well as carpet. The new look gives a very clean and modern feeling, which was much needed. Sections of the casino are barricaded off where they are doing construction and renovations.
You want to go to the left? We're walking too slow. I think we're walking too slow. No? Well, this is how I walk. It felt a lot bigger than the yesterday. Well, let's just go back.
They have expanded their food court and added several more dining options. Before the renovation and the addition to their food court, the casino just ended here. So we're not sure where this extra space came from. We have different theories. If you know, please let us know in the comments below. This is Craft Kitchen, which was one of the only places open in the morning.
Sounds good. Local plate. Oh, look, they have ube bread. Julie McGue's chicken tenders?
This is Crafted Crave It Raven.
No, it's Julie McGue's.
Yeah, Julie McGue's chicken tenders. Yeah? Cool.
This is the Steak and Shake, which we did eat at, and we found to be decent, a little pricey, but the food was good, and the shakes were even better.
Oh, a burger.
You also have Dunkin' Donuts open in the morning, which of course offers donuts, coffee, and breakfast items.
forgot they had
The
one.
sign for the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory has been removed, but it is still here. Here you can see the old versus new roofing tiles at reception. This area is still under construction.
I just get nervous. I guess so. That's what you want to do.
I mean, that's not what I wanted to do, but
This is a nice bar.
yeah, this is a real restaurant.
Oh yeah, we'll wait for Tony Roma's.
Yeah.
Like they have things.
Slushies?
Yeah. Because the other place doesn't have stuff over there.
If you've made it this far in the video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We will be coming back here in a couple of months once everything is complete, and you don't want to miss out on that update, so remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Well, it's gonna do fine.